Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going answer the question why your earbuds Xiaomi Buds 5 Pro not charging. And firstly, try to clean contact on your earbuds. So and at the charging case right here we have it, and also the earbuds at the bottom we have at the left and right earbuds these charging contacts. If you don't know how to clean it, you can check a video at this channel, we have it. The next one, check is you remove headphones foil, so look at your earbuds, and then also check your cable or adapter, and then charging port at your charging case located at the bottom. Check is everything okay, maybe you need to clean this port, and also try to use reverse wireless wireless charging station if you have it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.